Hello guys, welcome to another video. I hope you all are well and taking care of yourself. In the previous video we traded gold, due to which you brothers gave a lot of love to that video. Today we will trade in Australian dollar versus US dollar. We'll try to generate more good profit. Here I am applying trade with 1.01 lot size. This lot is calculated according to me. You also apply trade with proper risk management. Meet guys after applying trade. Guys, this account of ours is of $3,500, which will grow. Now we are running loss around $142. We will convert losses into profits with proper technical analysis. Watch the video till the end. You will enjoy the video. There is a strong downtrend in the market, which is in downtrend for last 20 days. Let's explain to you from the trend channel how did we get the good opportunity of selling here, so you can better understand. The market is also following this trend line very smartly, where we will see clearly trend line resistance points. From this trend line we can infer that where can be the next trend line resistance point of the market. Take another trend line, put it at the lower low point with the same angle. It works as a support here. Our trend channel is working perfect so that we can get good results. If the market stays inside this trend channel, then we can easily reach our goal. Now we will draw the support level, which will help us to set stop loss. This will also increase our probability of winning trade. For this I am taking rectangle tool. At this level the market has created a strong support resistance level, due to which the market is testing this level again and again. This level is important to us. You can see the market took support first and later breaking this level, creating multiple resistance points. From all these points we can get an idea of future support resistance points. Here the market is following the support become resistance pattern. Our analysis is going in the right direction. Because our level is working perfect, high probability chance the market will go down from here. Here we have 80 to 90% chance that the market will go down, as there is another strong support resistance level, which gives us the signal of downtrend. Let me draw and tell you. Same pattern is created at this level like we've drawn the bottom level. At this level you will see multiple support resistance point. Here also the market took support first and then broke it and made it resistance. Many times the market has reversed from this level. This level is drawn so that we can understand the market pattern better. The market always repeats history. We can predict future patterns by analyzing past patterns. That's why technical analysis is very important. At this point my stop loss will be 30 pips above the strong support resistance level and will stay inside the trend channel. If the market moves up to take resistance from the trend line, then our stop loss will be hit, but we will apply selling trade again, because the market will still be inside the trend channel. And my target point is 60 pips down, where market can create new lower low due to the down direction of the market. The next move of the market will be in this direction where our target level is. Guys, we still have losses above $100 here. We have followed proper risk management, from which I know how much my loss will be. Guys, now we have to wait patiently by when the market hits our target or stop loss. We will not close trade before stop loss or target is hit. I hope you understand all the points. If you have any question, then you can ask in the below comment box. You will definitely get a reply. If you want to become a profitable trader, then you just have to follow the steps: proper psychology, proper risk management, proper analysis. I will tell you at the end of the video which channel can make you a trader. See you guys after a while. Guys, after a long time our target is hit. We had to wait a long time for this target. Trade was applied at the place where we have drawn the arrow. After that the market retested the strong support resistance level twice, which we can also call sideways trend. Market created same pattern as previous strong support resistance level and made a good move to the downside. Now let me explain you the next pattern so that you can easily predict for future patterns. This level has created multiple support points in the market, due to which the market first took support here and now broke it and made resistance, from which the same pattern has been created as in the previous level. The market always moves like this. If the market trend is downtrend, there we will see support become resistance pattern. If the market is in an uptrend, resistance, become support patterns will appear there. Let's close the trade now. Guys, we are making $6,000 profit. We have convert our account from $3,500 to $9,500. You too can become a profitable trader if you follow Khoo Forex videos. You can be a good trader. You will find the link of his videos in the description box. You will get to learn psychology and risk management from them very well, so you can follow any setup, make notes along with whenever you watch Khoo videos, which will make it easier for you to revise. Like this video if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.